Okay, normally I don't do review for the product I don't like, especially I seldom do reviews, and because I don't want to create any more visibility for them, nobody good or bad. But seem like I'm wrong. People keep selling this thing, and more people talking about them. And I want to tell you what is the difference between them. These three are PLA. PLA materials, they can be quite tough. And you see this one I already broke because I just simply put my finger on it, broke down. Which means the layers and adhesive is really bad. And see this one, it's okay. You see my finger not even got dent. This already broke. Okay, you see this one. This is the higher price one. My fingers got dent and it not broke. No, if you use machine, maybe it will break you. But now, if not even bend, it's a really hard PLA materials. Why you need to use some material that's really low cost that easy could get your troubles. But of course, you see the printing quality. I believe it still can say it's fine. I cannot say it's perfect, but people will say, "Oh, this is perfect print quality, look good." But if you look at the right one, this is more matte, more dark, and the left one's so. I'm not sure you can see the surface or not. Let's see. Even it's matte, I try to reflect them. You can see a little bit ringing because of too tight on the timing belt, but there's no stringing, no much on layers issue, and the thing's tough, strong, as PLA. But this thing I can say on Shopee around 50 ringgit. If you get from China, probably like 20 to 35 ringgit. That's it. The thing that you don't want, and here got some weird retraction issue. I don't know, but this three is from same printers, same setting, just different materials. Okay, you can see this one also. They got some. This one's surface more bad. They got more blobs. Not sure why I got this kind of blobs. But they got same problem is the layer and adhesive is really bad. Of course, if you just want for decoration, put for fun, I think it's okay. You can buy to use it for yourself. But if you say you want to do for business, this is really a bad materials. Because your customer, you receive some part they don't like. They won't come back. They think, okay, 3D printing just sucks. No point in doing it again, and there's loss of effect. And also, they won't come to you as well. If you want to do for business, don't use this kind of quality materials. Come on, I know someone can use a very low cost 3D printers and use a very low cost material, then sell on a very low cost. Claim yourself as a 3D printing service. Come on, man. What the heck you're doing? You are just ruining the market. I will never use this kind of material. Why I got this? Because last 2 weeks I lack of material. I have no choice to get from Shopee, and then try to give a chance on all those so-called cheapest branding. I mean, the pricing is lower than what I normally use, and I can't use it anymore. I wasted I actually buy 20 kg in one shot, and then I return back to the seller because I don't really want it. If you use it for personally work, self-using, I think the quality is good enough for you. You can do putty, this and that on top. But if you want to do business, come on, get the better qualities one. This is not the thing you should look at. Okay.